Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what might just be the best electric toothbrush on the market right now, the SEAGO Soft Round Electric Toothbrush SG2607. This sleek, beige beauty is designed to make brushing both a high-tech experience and a simple daily habit. Whether you're an adult looking for optimal gum care or a parent wanting a safe, gentle brush for your kids, this one seems to check all the boxes. Let's start by talking about what makes this toothbrush stand out in a crowded market of dental gadgets. SEAGO has gone all in with this one. From the soft, round brush heads to the multiple cleaning modes, it's clear this product was made with thoughtful design and functionality in mind. When you first unbox the SG2607, you're greeted with a streamlined, minimalist device that feels sturdy and portable. But it's the two-button interface that truly makes the first impression. One button for power, and one for modes. No complicated menus or confusing symbols, just intuitive control. You don't have to be tech-savvy to use it. And that's a win for everyone, from teenagers to the elderly. The real magic happens when you turn it on. The SEAGO SG2607 offers 5 distinct cleaning modes. You've got white, clean, morning, evening, and sensitive, giving you tailored options depending on your specific needs and the time of day. So if you're someone who wants a gentle polish in the morning and a deeper clean before bed, this brush adapts to your routine with a simple click. And let's talk about the display. SEAGO has included an extra-large screen right on the body of the brush. This shows the current cleaning mode, no guessing, and also alerts you when the battery is low. It's a small touch that elevates the experience. It's modern, and most importantly, it's helpful. Battery life is another area where this toothbrush shines. Thanks to Type-C fast charging, you only need about 3 hours to get a full charge. And that gives you up to 30 days of use. Yes, 30 days. That's practically a month of worry-free brushing, perfect for frequent travelers or anyone who doesn't want to charge their devices constantly. Speaking of travel, SEAGO includes a compact travel case that's as thoughtfully designed as the brush itself. It keeps everything protected, clean, and ready to go. You could toss it into your gym bag, luggage, or even your glove compartment. It's durable and stylish, making the entire brushing system easy to take with you. The brush heads deserve their own spotlight. You get 8 soft bristle spin heads in the box. That's a lot of value. These soft round heads are designed to wrap around each tooth, reaching into every crevice for a thorough clean. They're gentle enough for daily use, yet effective enough to noticeably improve your oral hygiene routine. Now, let's not forget the IPX7 waterproof rating. That means you can use the toothbrush confidently in the shower or at the sink, even if things get a little splashy. Whether you've got sensitive gums, are managing braces or dental work, or just want a better clean than manual brushes can offer, this is a smart, accessible upgrade. And with the price hovering around the mid-30s, it delivers premium performance without the premium price tag. If you're looking for an electric toothbrush that balances power with gentleness, that's intuitive to use and ready to travel, the SEAGO SG2607 just might be your perfect match. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time with more hands-on reviews and real-world product insights.